Hi guys, welcome to xstopz. My name is Kalani and I'm going to show you how to draw a 3D house like that. First up we get a ruler, then we go down. Second step, we go at the bottom with that. Oopsies. Like that, like an L. The second step, we just go up again. We're going up, then we go across. Do you know across? See that? Like that. Next up, we draw like some not like triangles, but it looks like triangles. You see them at the top again. Second step, we draw at the bottom triangles, the same triangles again. Then we draw straight lines. This looks like then some straight lines will look like straight. Like that, in 3D. Then we draw like a square. Draw there, and go back again. Then we draw a half circle like that. Then we just copy that house tiny bits. Like that. Now you see at the roof, we got to draw some triangles. Like that. You see that straight line here? We leave a gap over there. We just draw. You see that? We draw letter U. Then we draw another letter U. Now we draw like that. You see that? Then we draw another letter. We keep drawing that. Then we just do some sides ones. Then we keep doing like left, right. You see that gap here now? We draw all of these parts. Now we're gonna draw some that. Draw another that. We just draw another that. Then we just draw another that. Then that. So a lot of them. Then next step, we see they have a gap here. So we're gonna give some 3D art, so like that. You see that lane? Then we'll go down again with this ruler. Then stop for a moment. We use at the back. There's something out there, so we use that thing to use that. We use a upside. gonna be like that. Done that, then we draw another bit like that. We see that? We're gonna draw. See that? Like that. We draw it like that. Then we just draw that. That was easy. Now the last bit, we show some windows. We just first off, we get a small bit again. Then we draw some letter U's. Then we just draw that, and some that. Now we're going to draw some edge, and we're going to draw the big part of the edge. Okay. Done. That's how you draw a 3D house. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, then click notification bell. Bye.